Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full drawdown analysis. So, on the pound dollar monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to make a higher low, higher low. I still think this is a 1, a 2, and I think we're already in a wave 3, which I still think is either going to go up and make an expanding wave flat, which would take out the previous highs, or possibly it could turn at one of these lower fib levels if it is a running ABC. And either scenario is definitely possible, but either way would have us leading to another big move to the upside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as either a wave 1, and I still think this is a big running flat wave 2. If that's true, that means that this right here is a 1 of 3, that right here is a 2 of 3, and that this is likely to just keep on trending up for that wave 3, 4, and 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame, I feel like we might have found the bottom on the pound dollar. We're going to have to see because we do have interest rate dollar news coming out this week on Wednesday, which could possibly cause this to continue to downtrend pretty easily, especially because they're saying that there's going to be no cuts in interest rates at all this year. But I actually think that's actually just going to be a bear trap for the dollar pairs. I think it's likely that it is going to keep on going up for a wave 3, and that the fundamentals are actually going to cause a lot of people to probably lose a lot of trades because of it. So let's take a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is definitely an uptrend, as you can see. A lot of the other dollar pairs already look like they're in a wave C, and this one looks like it's just starting a correction. So I would expect it to go down. I would expect it to take out the low of wave 4, and I would expect to see another push up eventually. I would either call this an A or a 1. I suspect that it is a 1, either a B or a 2. I suspect that it's a wave 2. Then it should go up for either a wave C or a wave 3. If it is a wave C, then it would probably bounce off one of these fib levels, break structure to the downside. If it is a wave 3, then it wouldn't break structure, but it would keep on making those higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I think it is pretty likely that we are going to go down probably between now and Wednesday's news, maybe end up looking something like this. I would expect to most likely see some sort of a downtrend. I would like to see it go down to one of these fib levels. Then if we see a nice breakout to the upside, then you could definitely take it for a long. Like I said, most of the other dollar pairs look like they're already in a wave C, and this one looks like it's only a wave A. So this actually could be like an irregular ABC correction. Like this is the A, this is the B, and now we're already in the wave C. Either way, I think it is going to go down, probably take out these lows, and then we probably should get another push to the upside. Just like I was explaining on the higher time frames, this is either a wave A or 1, this is either an ABC or B or an ABC or 2. Then we should go up for either a wave 3 or a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.